Welcome back to my channel, Glam Squad. My name is Gigi, and we're going to go ahead and work on a fall set today. I've not really done a ton of fall nails yet because it does not feel like fall here yet. Although, looking at the future, it does look like that's about to change, and I'm very, very happy. Today it's supposed to maybe get up to 90, so still feels a little summery to me, but at least once the sun goes down, the temperature's dropping really fast, and I'm enjoying that. So now that we've got all of our nails painted that very pretty tannish color, I hope you're not hearing that plane. Hello, plane. There's nothing I can do about that. I live sort of close to the airport. It's not that far, so I don't hear like super loud over my house, but they do go by. And so I do occasionally hear planes. Plus, they're working on the street outside as they have been for at least a couple of months. So you may occasionally hear something from that as well. Sorry. Now, on top of that tan, let's get back to the nails. I'm just doing some geometrical sort of shapes. This is going to be a long rectangular line sort of situation, but every nail is going to have its own flavor. You know, I like it when things match, but not completely, right? Everything's a little bit different, Everything is going to get, this is a green. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's green. It looks green for a second, not for a second. I was like, does that look black? No, it looks green. Sorry, guys, I'm in the weirdest mood today. Which is all about how weird my sleep is, I guess. But anyway, all of these green sections will be getting 2 coats. I'm just not going to show you that because, you know, brevity is my friend. So far, we don't have a ton of, you know, I have thoughts about this. I don't have a ton of people always staying to the end of the video, but I also wonder, you know how when you're on YouTube and you're scrolling and looking for something, whether it's on your phone or on your computer, if you hover on anything for more than a second, it starts playing it. I wonder if those count as views. And if they do, how often the few seconds somebody looks at that is bringing down your watch times. I don't know if that's what happens, but I do wonder about that because sometimes my watch times, they don't always make sense to me. It's like, why would anybody click on a video that they can clearly see is 7, 8, 9, 10 minutes long and watch it for, 30 seconds? I don't know. That just, I don't often do that. So maybe it's just a personal view of the situation, but it is something I wonder. So now that we have all of our shapes down, what I'm going to do is add a nice base coat and then put in this really pretty foil. Oh my goodness. You can use transfer foil for this as well, but I wanted that bumpy, lumpy look that you get with these little bits of foil. I think they're so pretty. And the warmness of this gold feels like autumn to me. And I wanted to play with it. So this is what I decided to do. I actually saw, it was on an ad for some nail polish, and I don't remember what ad it was. But I saw somebody do something similar, but instead of geometrical, it was more, like rounded shapes. Just sort of splodges of color. And I thought, I love that, but let's do like rectangles and stuff. And that's where this whole idea came from. It's not a new idea. People do this every fall. But I just thought I'd take a stab at it and see where we go. I really like where it ended up. I think most people do these as a mat. but I went shiny, and you'll see why in a bit. Now, here's the part of the video where I'm about to screw it up. So, oops. You'd think after all this time I wouldn't make that many errors. But then recently I was watching somebody who's been making videos as long, if not longer than me, and they make mistakes too. And I was like, you know what? We all make mistakes. It doesn't matter how long you've been doing something, you can still make a mistake. And that's growing. That's growth right there. So we're doing this little foliage in black, which was the reason why I could have switched it and done black shapes and green plants. And I thought plants are green, but let's make them black. And let's do the shapes in green. So you have a lot of options here. You don't have to stay with the neutral colors like I did. You could totally do pinks and purples with this if you wanted. You could do a bright, shiny silver plant on there, whatever makes you happy. So now this is where I screwed up. Guys, I had gotten up to take a short break, go to the bathroom, grab some coffee, and when I came back, I didn't unpause the camera. So you did not see any more of the foliage, and there is also a little bit of flash glitter spider gel, which you're going to see in a second, but you didn't get to see me put it on because I'm a pro at this. Yes, that's right. Guys, if you're still here with me, go ahead and leave me a leaf down in the comments section to show me that you're still here. That'll help me know if there are people that are watching all the way to the end. But look at that flash glitter. I think it goes great with our foil. I love this set. I think I might model it for you. I'm not positive yet, but I'm thinking about it. I absolutely adore this set. Kind of wish I'd done it on myself. Now here it is again without the flash glitter showing, just the regular look. But then, bam! The flash glitter. I love the flash glitter. Oh my goodness. Guys, thank you so much for watching. We're going to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.